Hello, are you looking for some algorithm that could identify the gender in an image? Fortunately, you are in luck today because I'm going to share with you a paper that has some recommendations. So here you can see the information of the person who wrote the paper. My name is Sergio Gonzalez. I am a student of computer engineering. So this paper presented an approach to detect gender of a person through frontal facial image using techniques of data mining and the learning translation. In this slide, you are seeing the flow describing the model used in the paper. You can see the first unit is the image, of course. Then you need to apply some algorithms. You need to convert the image to greater scale, and you need to calculate the learning triangle and also Euclidean distance, and then you need to use machine learning algorithms. But let me show you these steps with more detail, like compensation. Some features taken for digital cameras produce but light effects or some kind of noise. The idea is to remove them, but problem is tricky to resolve. However, there is an algorithm that is very efficient to solve the overcompensation problem for image with dark background. This algorithm can be defined like this equation. So you need to calculate the standard mean gray value and the mean value no black pixels. All of them is needed to calculate the scale factor from one specific channel, and red and green or blue. And the next is to locate where is the face in the image, so you can use volume algorithms. Is deployed to detect face as well as the facial feature that from the input image is a robust algorithm for detecting faces. Then you need to identify some feature such as eye, nose, lips, and then you need to calculate the Euclidean distance. It's defined like this. You need to point to calculate the Euclidean distance. So you can calculate the Euclidean distance between the eyes or the eyes and the lips. All of this combination are here. So the next step is to apply the learning translation. Is calculated from a Euclidean distance. The distance calculated are then saved into a database because in the end you will need this information. So here you can see some kind of triangles and yeah, that is it's nice to how to calculate that. So once that you have extracted all the feature in the image, it's time to apply machine learning algorithms that classify the image as a male or a female face. The paper use this framework. It's a collection of machine learning algorithms for data mining tasks. So here you can see all the information about this framework. This paper had a few reviews about some of these algorithms, but in fact it's difficult to understand all these algorithms very well. So if you need to implement some of them, I recommend to read more about them. And For the moment, I just want to show you the results so you can see that the accuracy was gotten by functional tree. It's about 93.8%. So here you can see all the accuracy of the other algorithm. As a conclusion, you can use the Lonely triangulation of clear distance to predict the gender, and you can use functional training, the best algorithm that use machine learning to predict the gender. And gender prediction could be used in various areas such as human-computer interaction. So you can combine these things with a chatbot, for example. A chatbot is an application that can interact or call with other humans. And so, for example, the chatbot detect that gender is men, and the chatbot could say, "Good morning, sir." Or if it is a woman, the chatbot could say, "Have a nice day, lady." Something like that. The idea is to have a better interaction with the human, with humans. Um, as a future work, the paper told a way to detect the age of the subject to the same frontal facial image. But in the actuality, it's difficult to uh, predict the age very well. Let me show you an example. This is a framework created by IBM. So here you can train some models, but for the moment I just want to use to predict the gender. So let's use this image to predict the gender. So let's classify them. Let's go and find the image. So let's wait and ready. So you can see in fact the gender is a female, but the age I'm not sure about that. Let's use other image, for example the expression of Costa Rica de Pacheco. He is 83 years old. So let's use this image. Try. So the age is in fact difficult to predict. Let me see. Okay. So in fact the gender is a male, but the age I don't know. I think that this algorithm is really good. But in fact it's so difficult to predict the age. So that's all. Thank you so much.